Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name's Anuja and I'm a Sri Lankan YouTuber, so I'm so glad that you've joined me. Today's video is all about street style during that autumn to winter transition, because it's sort of that awkward phase where you have good days but also really cold, rainy, dull days. And I recently went around and shopped a few things. I've only got like 5 or 6 new things, but I'm gonna make 3 new outfit looks for you guys with that. And if you live in a place where these shops aren't available, I'm pretty sure you can find something that looks close to that. The whole point of like lookbooks and fashion videos is just so that you can get ideas. So that's what I do when I have a look at lookbooks. I just get ideas, patterns, shapes, and then when I go shopping I know what to sort of look out for. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. Even if you live in like a hot climate area, you can adapt these ideas and just make it your own. So the first 2 things that I'm going to show you guys are tops. So the first one that I'm going to show you is a beautiful top by Glassons, and it's orange and white with a deep v-neck, which I don't usually go for, but it just looked really flattering, so I just had to get it. It's got long sleeves, and at the end of the sleeve there's like elastic in there, and if you look at the bottom of the top as well, there's an elastic there which sort of hugs your waist in all the right places. And that is just the back of it, just a straight cut and the elastic going around. If you look closely at the v-neck, you'll see that there's a little hook there and it's bare right here, and then it sort of closes down. And the material is quite thin, but it's really soft and really comfortable to wear. And I just love the peachy orange and white going on here. And the pattern is sort of like white flowers with a stem. This is $39.99 and it's called Twisties Floral. Love that. The next top is such a cool top. Like, look at those sleeves. I know this looks massive, and it is, but that's the only one they had. It's sort of like a white crop top with checkerboard sleeves. How cool is that? It looks massive when I hold it up, but I promise you it looks nice. This one, again, you can couple with skirts or jeans. And this is only $19.95. I mean, that's such a bargain. The material of it is cotton, it's breathable, and you can layer it up as much as you want as well. The next one is a jumper that just jumped at me as I entered H&M. It just caught my eyes straight away. Jumpers in general are pretty comfy, but this is just extra. It's plain black, but if you look at the sleeves, it's imitation fur, by the way, it's faux fur. I would never buy real fur at all. This is just so soft. And during winter time, like, you just wanna snuggle up in front of a fireplace, like feel really comfy, and this I thought was the perfect thing for that. It's plain black. This is sort of like cotton, I guess. It's got sort of like a rounded neck, long sleeves with this imitation fur for days. I am just in love with it and I can't wait to wear it. The price of this is $39.99. I thought this would be way more expensive than that, so I was pleasantly surprised. I just want to wear it now. The next thing I'm going to show you is a skirt. This is from Dotti. I know that this is quite a popular look during autumn time. It's sort of like a plain brown skirt with silver buttons, and the material is so soft, so comfortable, and this color is very autumnal, which is why I really liked it as well. It's $49.99, so a bit pricey than I thought. You can tuck away like baggy jumpers or baggy tops with this. There's a lot of possibilities with this one. The next one I have is a jumper, or like a cardigan jumper. This is again one of the softest things I have ever felt. It doesn't have any buttons, it doesn't have any zips. The worst feeling for me during cold winter time or like a rainy cold day is when I'm wearing a top with a zipper or something metallic and it touching my skin when it's really cold. Like, I hate that. That's one of my pet peeves. So this is gonna be so cozy during this time of year. This is $49.99, which is fine because it's a good quality jumper and I can see myself wearing it for a long time. It's not a long sleeve, it's sort of like a midi sleeve, like as you can see, and it's quite wide, but it's just so comfortable on your skin and I just love it. Perfect for the cold winter days. The other two I have are sort of accessories, I guess. The first thing is, it just had to be a beanie. Obviously it had to be a beanie, and this color is very autumnal or wintry. I think this is from Factorie. There's no tag though, because I accidentally asked them to cut off the tags. So I have no idea how much it is and I can't remember, but I think it was a reasonable price. It's got a little like fluff ball up here, which is so cute. You guys know how much I love beanies. I cannot live without them, so I just had to get one of these. The last one I'm going to show you is a hat, because during autumn I feel like you need to have a statement hat. And one of the classic hats during autumn time is a black one like this. This is wool. I don't know if you can see, but it's got like a black ribbon around it here. This is from Glassons and it is $29.99. Because I have a smallish head, it's quite big, but the good thing about it is like you've got two little ribbons here that you can pull to make it tight. So I was slightly relieved. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna make it work because I really wanted one. So there it is, and you can just pull on the strings to make it tight if it's windy. So there it is. Now what I'm gonna try and do is show you guys 3 outfit ideas using these ones and using, you know, some basics that I already own, just so that I can help some of you who are looking for inspirations, who are looking for ideas. So I hope you enjoy it. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed those 3 looks. Let me know what your favorite look was, or let me know what your favorite look is during autumn, winter, or like cold weather. I hope you're having an amazing time wherever you are. Thank you for all of you that leave lovely comments on my videos. I read each and every one of them and I reply to all of them, so keep them coming and let me know what other videos that you guys want to see, because I take those into consideration as well. Have an amazing week ahead and I will see you soon with another video. Bye guys.